Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Beyond Boundaries. Here we talk about the remarkable journeys of inspiring edu leaders. Today, we have the privilege of introducing the guest with us. She is an inspiring, true leader. She's passionate, stubborn to change and transform the landscape of education. Let's welcome Dr. Rita Sharma. Welcome, ma'am. It gives me immense pleasure just to introduce you here.
Thank you, Srishti. Really, it gives me an immense pleasure to talk with you under the banner of Silver Zone. I'm very happy.
Same here, ma'am. Ma'am, you are a magician. The way you have transformed the landscape of education, it's really remarkable. Suppose I give you a crystal ball. There you are able to see, since you are a magician, you are able to see the landscape of education, say 5 years from now. So what are the proactive steps that you would want to suggest to the edu leaders or students that it's not only important to be upskilled, but also to be able to diverge yourself for the learning dynamic environment?
See, Srishti, you have used the word magician.
Yes.
You know that every educator is a magician.
Absolutely.
Is a juggler.
Very
juggler
well said.
of words. So all the educators are magician.
Yes.
Child, you know, it's a raw material. They
Yes,
come
ma'am.
to them.
Yes.
And it's their responsibility. And you have to transform that child for those changes. What will happen in their upcoming life? So as far as it is your question that what proactive steps I would like to take. So you know that this is the era of technology.
Yes.
Every day we talk about the digitalization. I am coming from the suburban vicinity, and after COVID and even amidst of the COVID, I have seen a lot of challenges. You know that the students are coming in my school more than 140 villages, where we are not having too much technology. They are not having the means.
The means.
Okay, of technology. So at the time, it was a great challenge before us. How we will start the classes in an online way. It was a,
Big challenge.
big challenge, and how we will start our virtual classes. Even our teachers, and even I'm not just saying that it was the problem with us. This problem was with all the schools which were situated in the suburban vicinity, or I should say that in the rural vicinity.
Rural vicinity, yes.
So as far as it is concerned, and you know, today there is no survival without technology. On the one hand, we are talking about that we have to think about the green, but we can't survive without technology. So as far as it is concerned, for taking the proactive steps, for just creating that dynamic educational environment, first of all, we have to ponder about the technology and digitalization. In which way all the students will be equipped with the proper use of technology. So main thing is that the digitalization, every child must be equipped with digitalization, and in that area where we are. I'm not just saying that it is very difficult to arrange all the things, but it will be there.
It will be there.
And it happened. It happened in COVID also, as we have talked with the parents. We have talked with the teachers, and even at the time our teachers were very helpful. They were talking with them, and at the time when we won the race. So now though everything, you know, after 3 or 4 years, everybody is aware that what is the use of technology in our own life.
Yes.
And as far as it is concerned, that the second point what I would like to highlight, it is 4 C's. It is the era of 4 C's. 4 C's, it means critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication.
4 C's.
So yeah. So as far as when we are talking about the 21st century learner, without these 4 C's, one cannot become the proper learner of 21st century.
Absolutely, ma'am.
So from that point of view, we have to think how it will be possible to make the upliftment of a child in these 4 C's. That cannot be done, you know, without the imbibing of 4 C's. So from that point of view, we are doing a lot of things. The third one, it is just related. There are 2 words, that peer pressure and peer learning.
Yes, we all have heard that. Peer pressure is something that...
Peer pressure is, in my sense, it is the opposite of what peer learning. Peer learning is the opposite of peer pressure. So you know that nowadays what's happening, a child, he comes in a pressure while moving with his peers.
Yes.
And you know that the ambience, not only of the classroom, but also at home.
At home.
It is also affected by the pressure.
Pressure. Very important.
And even that if the parents are not conversing at home, if the teachers are not having that kind of adherence with that child, then what happens? The things are going to be scattered.
Isolated हो जाता है बच्चा.
So I should say that it is the very that a good step while using the teaching strategy and methodology that is based upon peer learning.
Yes.
Peer learning. It must be always revived by the teachers.
By the teachers. That's the role of the teachers, to be a facilitator.
So these, as you were asking, that the proactive steps we have started, even though still we have started earlier, but we are that completely adhered to these 3 points.
Main points.
That is peer learning, 4 C's, or I should say for working, that how to become a 21st century learner for living a better life, for living the happy life. So if you are a leader, and especially a leader in a school, so you have to lead the things in that manner so that every phase of your school will be bloomed or blossomed with happiness.
Butterflies around. You are true visionary leader, that I said. And the ma'am used here 4 C's. So what are 4 C's? Creativity, critical learning,
critical thinking, collaboration
and communication. These are 4 C's that is very much important for the survival of the fittest. Did I say that right, ma'am?
In these days.
For to be able to achieve.
That cannot be, that's why digitalization is mandatory. If we are sitting here, we are exchanging our thoughts. It is the collaboration.
It is a collaboration.
It is the communication. You will just create some important thoughts. It will be the creativity.
Absolutely.
And then after my departure, or you will analyze the things.
Critical thinking.
You will observe the thing, then you will create the critical thinking.
I am using 4 C's.
Everybody. But it cannot be done without technology.
Yes, that's very well said, ma'am. As you talked about technology, and we all know how is it evolving rapidly and transforming the world around. But ma'am, kahi parents or any stakeholder, teachers, sometimes they believe kahi na kahi हमारी core moral values kahi na kahi compromise हो रही है. तो मैम ऐसे चैलेंजेस क्या आपने फेस करे, और डू यू फील लाइक कि आपने अपने स्कूल में कैसे बैलेंस बनाया? ईदर यू टॉक अबाउट न्यू मेथोडोलॉजीज और द ट्रेडिशनल वैल्यूज, दैट नथिंग शुड बी कॉम्प्रोमाइज, बट स्टिल एक ऐसे स्केल पे लाए आप जिससे सब कुछ लेवल अप हो जाए.
Very good question. And it is also the demand of the time.
Yes.
On a one hand, we are talking about the flipped classroom or hybrid learning.
Yes, ma'am.
Hybrid mode of learning
hybrid
we are
mode.
talking about.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we have done in our school, we have tried to make a balance. So as far as it is concerned to the flipped classroom and the hybrid mode of learning, so what happens? We discuss all the things in our class personally. And one thing is more, as far as it is concerned to the human interaction and the nursing and the teaching, that cannot be replaced with technology. If we are just saying that robot and all the things and the technology is just advancement is here and there, everywhere we are just looking, but these three things cannot be replaced. If any chapter that's related to the nature, that all the students must come out from the classroom and just see the real world. So as far as it is concerned, while preparing the lesson plan, we have to think for each and everything. That this will be the content and it will be the experiential learning, and always experiential learning happens in a in a practical way. And when you will do the practical things on our it will
daily
be the
basis.
real learning
Yes.
also, then to a great extent the things that it will also, then a balance will be created from our side, that this is the advancement of technology on a one hand, and the second hand how to just imbibe the traditional, or I should say how to imbibe the Indian roots among our students. And it is the foremost duty of an educator also.
Very, very important.
Before moving
to the next step.
classroom.
Yes.
We have to think a lot.
It's a prior knowledge concept.
Yeah, it is
Absolutely.
as I have worked as a deputy training coordinator in
Yes,
our
ma'am, I know.
vicinity also.
Which is such an
So,
accomplishment.
I have also learned a lot from there. For example, that department-wise seating for the teachers on a one hand. On the second hand, we have just given the SIC also. SIC, there is a one cell where the students are giving their experiment. They are giving their ideas.
Students are doing that. कितनी अच्छी बात है
They
मैम.
are giving their own ideas under the under the SIC.
तो वो टीचर्स को दे रहे हैं या?
Yeah. There is a one particular period in our school.
अच्छा.
Okay, and it happens on a week. Then all the students are giving their own scientific ideas to the teachers, and accordingly we are working upon
ये
that.
अपनी प्लेटफॉर्म
we
दिया
are,
है.
we are no it has been just SIC, it has been framed from the side of CBSE, but we are working.
You are doing that in your school. यही तो मैम इम्पोर्टेंट है. अगर मैं अवेयर ही नहीं होंगी कि क्या CBSE कर रहा है तो मुझे पता कैसे
On
होगा?
a one hand, we are working upon the upliftment of our teachers also, their professional enhancement,
कितना जरूरी है मैम ट्रेन
So-
करना टीचर्स को?
so that they may learn the new pedagogical skills.
मैम NEP भी कहता है कि हमारा जो लर्निंग व टीचिंग है आउटकम बेस्ड होना चाहिए, एविडेंस बेस्ड होना चाहिए. तो आप वो कर ही रहे हो.
NEP, you know that the curriculum, what is NEP? If I should say, NEP, it is the, that the curriculum of India.
Exactly.
Curriculum of India.
Curriculum.
We can't escape from saying this statement that what is NEP. What we are doing, we are residing in India, we are just celebrating our festivals, we are just following following our roots, we are seeking the way of Gurukul system. So all is NEP.
All is NEP.
As you have said that Bloom's taxonomy, so I am just reminding it 3 main words, otherwise so it will be very lengthy. That ask model, I am just talking about the ask model here. That ask full form I am just giving you: A for attitude, S for skill, K for knowledge. So if all the teachers are working upon these 3 points, they are having a perfect balance
of these three.
They are just working upon this model. All the things will be good in the school, and the fantastic teaching learning floor must be created from the side of the educators.
I love the way you said it. Fantastic teaching learning floor. I want to dance on that floor now. You said ask is for A is for attitude,
Yeah.
S is for
skill,
skill, and K is for knowledge.
K for
And that
knowledge.
model every
and
teacher has to
if
work.
I would like to elaborate somewhat it, actually we say that what is NEP and what is National Curriculum Framework 2005 and 2022. So what is the difference? As far as it is concerned, NCF or NEP. So what is happening if I am just talking about on 3 points? A, S, K. So earlier we were talking about the only is knowledge. Only knowledge.
building.
But right now,
attitude.
K, S, A. We were just talking about first knowledge, then skill, and then attitude. But this time in this NEP, we are talking about first attitude, that is the behavior.
Very important.
And then we are talking about skill. And the third one, that is knowledge. So that attitude, skill, and knowledge, if you are working, if you are going with these 3 words, then everything will happen. Because otherwise what were happening, that we were focusing upon rote learning, the only for gaining that knowledge. We were not talking about, for example, you have taught, but you have not tried to see the skill of that child, to judge, to assess, to measure. So we have to assess every child on attitude and skill also, and then after
And then
knowledge.
also
But
is
what
a
we were
whole.
just doing, that
Only
knowledge,
knowledge.
skill, and attitude. But right now, attitude, skill, and knowledge.
Yes, sequence matter. But I'm glad मैम आपने इनका full form बताया, तो वो sequence matter करता है. Attitude
But
was
earlier we
important.
were just saying KSA.
Number
right
आ रहे हैं?
now I'm just saying ask.
Yes.
Ask from yourself.
From yourself. Introspect करो.
Yeah.
बहुत ज़रूरी है मैम. Very well said. हम जैसे आप मुझे नेचर की बात कर रहे थे, मुझे लग रहा है आप नेचर लवर हैं, जो कि मुझे पता भी है क्योंकि आपको सस्टेनेबिलिटी इनोवेटर अवार्ड मिला है. So is there anything that you would want to tell our audience क्या क्या स्टेप्स हैं जो सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स 11-4 को केटर कर पाएं कम्युनिटीज और सिटीज के लिए? एनीथिंग?
Actually, this, you know that the word nature is very close to me, very close. I don't know why, and I think that I am the lovely child of Mother Nature. Not I, but so Sustainable Innovator Awards, let me make it brief, that my skill is situated in the lap of nature. Soothing and serene atmosphere, completely greenery, where you will just listen the lovely music of chirping the birds, insects, flowers, and when you will just have a look at the building, you will be happy. You will be spellbound to see the beauty of the school.
I would love to, ma'am.
Really, you will like it from the deep core of your own, not only or from your heart, mind, body, and spirit also, soul also.
Soul also.
So, as far as it is concerned for planting the trees and all the things, it is already there.
It's going.
I am just this innovator, just Sustainability Innovator Award. Actually, what we have done, that I have focused, or we have focused upon the nature-based education.
Wow.
What we are just doing as far as it is concerned for planting the seeds, every school does it. But
हर कोई कर रहा है.
that even that few things we have also done. We have created one environmental ambassador from each class.
Ambassador.
Environmental ambassador. So
Very
what
nice.
they are just doing, a child, they are just planting the seeds and they are looking after their plants that has been kept outside the classroom in the corridor.
Brilliant. आपने role of responsibility एक sense दे दिया उनको.
Yeah,
Very nice.
we,
ma'am.
we have done. Something we have done, that no need to purchase that book cover or notebook cover from the market.
Right.
You may use that newspaper also.
Recycle.
And sometimes a child, what they do, they purchase the chart paper also. We have said that if you have a calendar at your home, you may use the back side of that calendar as
अच्छा idea,
a
ma'am.
chart.
कितना अच्छा idea. Very nice.
So these kind of things so we are doing, but a different thing what we are doing, that as I have said to you, nature-based education.
Nature-based
So
education.
if a child will learn in the lap of nature, they will learn a lot. What we have done, as early in the morning when our school opens, or I should say at the dawn time, DAWN morning, Bhorkal.
Bhorkal.
Bhorkal mein, when the birds are chirping, so our people, they are recording the voices of the child.
They're recording
birds.
it.
And we
बहुत
have
अच्छी
done.
बात है.
So in our Balvatika, nursery, LKG and UKG.
Foundational stage.
Yeah,
हाँ
yeah.
जी.
So that level 1, 2, we record that voice, and it has been listened by those children. They listen it. So what happens? Students, they ask, ma'am, ये कहाँ का है? नहीं, it's your own school. ये आपके school की है early in the morning.
बहुत अच्छा idea, मैम ये तो.
So not only that, so we do these kind of different things.
It's a very great
अच्छा,
idea.
And as the weather changes, तो birds, अलग-अलग तरह के birds आते हैं, उनकी voices.
अलग-अलग.
हाँ. We are not just saying that everything will be changed, but main thing is that if we are imbibing or inculcating the seed of preserving or conservation of our nature, as far as that how you are inculcating the spirit of nature among the students.
Across different subjects.
Yeah.
Yes.
So compost bin and all the things, it
That's
is
very important.
already in our
Compost bin का
school.
concept बहुत जरूरी है. हाँ जी.
So, and sometimes students move to Gausala also. There is a one program of Seva.
Seva. बहुत
Okay, it
अच्छी
is
बात
one
है.
of the prominent program of CBSE, and it is in the, that the curriculum, I should say, that of CBSE.
CBSE.
So, actually, one thing is more, we are very much adhered to all the circulars and notifications of CBSE also.
Very great initiative
And
to do.
one particular teacher that she works, even I see all the things, we see collaboratively we work, but we try to implement
Everything
all the things in the school curriculum.
as told by the CBSE. Very
CBSE.
nice.
So
ma'am.
what happens, a lot of exposure we
Get.
find. And then besides that, I'm not just talking about that, we are just talking about that what we are just doing in our school. Besides academics, that extracurricular and curricular. So if I am just talking about the extracurricular part of education, So even our school is situated in the suburban vicinity of district Bulandshahr. And if I am sitting in Delhi, and that our students got a chance to visit the environmental expo. 2 or 3 times they have come.
This is
they
amazing.
have environmental expo, so skill expo.
Skill expo, very
So
much important.
they come, they see, they feel, and
Ask
then try
model.
to think.
Skill bhi aa gaya isme. Very nice.
And then they try to know that really actually if you are just giving the I should say that exploration is very much needed. You are just teaching the students, 40 students, they are studying in the class, teachers are teaching, a teacher teaches more than 200 students in a day, 6 periods.
Exactly.
They
Teacher-student ratio
30
also
students
matters.
in each and every class, then approx 175, 180 students they teach. But practically what they are doing. So it is that it is the main nerve of BK Public School, where we give a lot of exposure to our students on the real ground. We send them.
Experiential learning पे से main focus है.
Learning. All of a sudden, if we find that it will be a basic learning or it is the need of the hour to send our students as well, teachers, we send them, they learn, and then things that
Sudden
a
plans.
learning platform we try to create. And we are, then the students are also happy, and I should say the
Kids will also nourish.
Yeah.
So you're giving them a world where they can flourish and nourish.
Yeah.
Very well said, ma'am. You are really inspiring here also. But there are so many Wingster achievements. I've also heard that your school has gone for the Manak Inspire Award. So is there anything that you would want to tell what this award is all about and how did you reach?
We have suggested the ideas. So consecutively, 3 years, our ideas in Inspire Manak Award, it has been selected
That's a
from
youth
the Ministry
celebration.
of Science and Technology.
Very nice.
And that project money, 10,000 we have received. And this time we have also participated in that Manak Inspire Award. And one of the girl child, Vandana. So she was the winner on state level also. Before that, there was a district participation. So she was also the winner over there. Then after Vandana.
Vandana, congratulations. Great.
And second time when it was on the journal aspect, then she was also the winner. And third one, it was on the state level. And then she participated over there.
Wow.
And now she has attended the 2 days workshops in IIT Delhi. It was a mentorship workshop.
Super girl.
So, yeah. So that her idea was also praised and appreciated and applauded by the great scientists and great mentors. And they were appreciating a lot. So let me make a brief of that idea, that what was the idea.
I'm very curious.
So this time what we have done, that child, we have just created the electricity by algae.
By algae?
Yeah.
Electricity by algae? That's something new.
So that everybody, she was praised by everyone. One of my subject coordinator, Madam Nandini, she was her mentor. And still, she is just quite ready to move on the national level.
Wow.
And
congratulations.
What happens that 72,000 ideas and more than 30 students, they will got a chance to move Japan if they will be the winner on national
They
level.
will be, of course.
Winner
they will
on
be.
national level.
They will be. I will hope.
Hope so.
Yes.
So
Fingers
we are
crossed.
very hopeful and curious also, and doing very well in the upcoming time.
I really hope so. I mean, going to Japan is my dream also. Even I would want to go. But for that, I have to take participation in such a competition.
But still, अच्छा करते हैं तो अच्छा मिलता है.
अच्छा मिलता है, मैम. But ये पता होना कि ऐसे platforms हैं. So that is something जो अगर आप CBSE के curriculums में इतना focus करेंगे, updated रहेंगे, तभी पता चल पाएगा.
And that Inspire Award Manak Yojana, it is one of the program of Ministry of Science and Technology.
Ministry of Science.
Government of India.
See, I
so
could
it is
relate.
open for all.
Open
But
for all.
after,
Yes.
every time we participate in that.
Very
and
important.
so many ideas. Last year there was a one project, and it was the just related to ink, that how to create an ink, sustainable ink.
Sustainable ink. Very well.
So
initiated.
even ideas was selected, but we have participated on district level, not on journal and national level. But this time we have participated on a state level and ready to move on national
level. I will really hope and pray.
Hope that our students are doing. It's not only one achievement. Even our students got a chance to reside for 6 days in IMA Dehradun also.
Oh my God, that's huge.
Yes,
you
they
don't
qualified.
Get to enter that. It's huge.
They qualified that Indian military quiz.
Yes. Where you won 1.5 lakh rupees.
Yeah. We have achieved 1.5 lakh, 5 lakh rupees, as well as some tablets and other goodies also. Their felicitation, cards and other important things. And it gives me an immense pleasure.
Yeah, it's huge.
And it's a pleasure and it's a dream also to live in IMA also. So my school was, semi-finalist.
Semi-finalist. That's huge.
We qualified.
I told you are a true visionary leader, and that's very important.
Besides that Veer Gatha program and other program, outstanding contribution education, we also bagged one award from Sahodaya.
Yeah. That's nice.
So it has been bestowed by CBSE. Anurag Tripathi ji's.
Yes, who doesn't know him? Yes.
CBSE secretary.
Yes.
We are just doing the things.
You are doing so much, ma'am. You are doing so much.
The main thing is that we are residing in that vicinity. That it is. I'm not just saying that कहीं हम बहुत अंदर जाकर के रह रहे हैं. But
at least nature के पास है काफी.
And we faith just to give the exposure for us.
Exposure बहुत important है, ma'am.
And with that thing, if you are working upon the professional enhancement of the teachers,
it's a big thing. Very big thing.
So if you are entering in the school, your child are happy, your children are happy, they are doing very well, all the things are in a very systematic manner, you welcome them with a happy faces, and they are coming with having a dream that what will be the new for us today. आज हमारा कुछ नया
क्या सीखने को मिलेगा?
आज हमने क्या सीखा?
जी बहुत जरूरी है.
कुछ नया सा, कुछ सर्किल टाइम नया सा सीखने
सर्किल टाइम बहुत जरूरी है डिस्कशंस के लिए. मेरे को एक इच्छा चाहिए आने की क्लास में, वो विलिंगनेस जो आप दे रहे हो मैम, बहुत
important. And even that NEP is just talking about a lot.
Yes, it is. It is.
You know that from the very starting as that Balvatika for now to the kindergarten has been shifted.
1 and 2 has also been
replaced
foundational stage. Yes.
So in Balvatika we are talking about the Panchkoshas.
Pranamaya, Manomaya. Yes, ma'am.
So that we are talking about life energy, spiritual enhancement.
Yes, very important.
पंचकोशा की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तो एक holistic development की हम बात
holistic development, पूर्ण विकास
की बात करते हैं. तो अगर हम we are just giving a flow to the students, एक आप कुछ भी वर्क कर रहे हैं, if you are having the essence of those पंचकोशास, कि मेरे बच्चे का 5 कोशा इसमें डेवलप हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है, कितने डोमेन में मेरा बच्चा ने आज सीखा है.
लर्निंग डोमेन्स बहुत जरूरी है.
कितने डोमेन्स में मेरे बच्चे ने आज सीखा है.
लैंग्वेज है, कोग्निटिव है, वो डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा.
एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, लाइफ एनर्जी है, स्पिरिचुअल एस्पेक्ट है, इंटेलेक्चुअल
डोमेन है.
सो
बहुत सारे हैं मैम.
तो मेन थिंग इज दैट कि ये जो हमारे 7 और 8 डोमेन है, इसमें हमारा बच्चा जो भी हम पढ़ा रहे हैं वो चीज हमारे उन सभी डोमेन में जा रही है या नहीं जा रही है. तो अगर वो चीज लैंग्वेज लिटरेसी में जा रही है, स्पिरिचुअल एस्पेक्ट में जा रही है, इंटेलेक्चुअल एस्पेक्ट में जा रही है, फिजिकल में जा रही है, हेल्थ में जा रही है, लाइफ एनर्जी में जा रही है, तो रियली कुछ अच्छा निकल के आएगा. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन दैट वी हैव वेटेड, सभी बच्चों का हमने वेट किया,
BMI निकाला
सबका, और सबको डाइट चार्ट बना के दिया. एंड नाउ द टीचर्स आर वर्किंग विद देम, दोज स्टूडेंट्स आर सेंडिंग देयर वीडियोस ऑन दैट ग्रुप की मैम
फिट हो गए हम, तो
हमने 2 kg रिड्यूस किया है, ये हम ये वाली डाइट ले सकते हैं, नहीं ले सकते हैं, एंड पेरेंट्स आर वेरी हैप्पी. सो दिस इज द एस्पेक्ट ऑफ होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट.
बहुत जरूरी है मैम,
ये होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट है
पूरा है.
अगर हमारा हेल्थ ही ठीक नहीं है,
अन्नमाया कोशा
हमारा क्या सही है. सबसे पहला फिजिकल,
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट
कोशा की बात करें, फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट,
फिजिकल डोमेन. जी
फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट आप हर चीज में देखिए. अगर आप डाइट, अगर बच्चे को आप उस फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट में इफ यू आर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट हाउ टू रिड्यूस द वेट, और हम ओबेसिटी की बात कर रहे हैं, तो वी में टॉक अबाउट उसी डोमेन में हम डाइट की बात कर रहे हैं तो हम साइंस को, बच्चे का एक जो इंटेलेक्चुअल एस्पेक्ट है, लॉजिक है, उसको भी हम डेवलप कर रहे हैं,
इंटीग्रेटेड नॉलेज
बिल्कुल कर रहे हैं।
जी जी।
हम अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, हम वी आर जस्ट मोटिवेटिंग आवर लिटिल सिबलिंग्स आल्सो, उनको भी बात कर रहे हैं।
हाँ जी हाँ जी।
तो आप मॉरल वैल्यूज पे भी काम कर रहे हैं,
बिल्कुल कर रहे हैं, फैमिली टुगेदर
आप लाइफ एनर्जी को बूस्ट अप कर रहे हैं, आप अच्छा डाइट ले रहे हैं।
यस।
तो आप कितने डोमेन में काम कर रहे हैं, तो इट मीन्स कि आप जो भी कर रहे हैं उसको एक बार टच, आप लिटरेसी डोमेन में भी काम कर रहे हैं। व्हेन ए चाइल्ड विल रीड देन ऑब्वियसली
वो कैब इंक्रीज होगा मैम,
इंक्रीज होगा।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
तो मेन थिंग
ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव,
वी आर जस्ट वर्किंग एंड सो मेनी इनिशिएटिव्स वी हैव टेकन। जैसे आवर स्कूल इज सिचुएटेड 2 kilometers फार अवे फ्रॉम टाउन एरिया। तो आफ्टर द क्लोजिंग आवर्स ऑफ द स्कूल, those students who are interested, उनको हम रोक लेते हैं and without they don't pay any transport fees for that, और after that they play more than 1 hour, और फिर उसके बाद उनको हम
अपनी ग्रॉस मोटर स्किल्स पे भी काम करा लिया
पूरा।
दैट्स वेरी नाइस। आपने डोमेन्स भी कवर करा अपना लर्निंग में, कोर्सेस भी डेवलप करा लिया,
लोकोमोटर स्किल्स, सोशियो मोटर स्किल्स, साइको सोशियो मोटर स्किल्स, वी आर वर्किंग अपॉन दैट।
कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप हो जाता है मैम। ओबेसिटी इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट वेट, इट गिव्स मी एन एटीट्यूड। वो आस्क मॉडल भी आ जाएगा, आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट टू एंटर अ रूम, वेलकमिंग नेचर आपने वैसे ही दे दिया। सो एवरीथिंग यू आर डेवलपिंग विद इन अ किड।
टू जस्ट सी कि हम लोग हेल्थ पे काम कर रहे हैं। स्कूल इज ऑलरेडी, वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग दैट नेचुरल एम्बियंस फॉर आवर स्टूडेंट्स। Yoga activities are going very well. Are the students who are coming in the school children are coming in 2 rounds, first round, second round, then the teachers are working with them. The students who are coming in the first round, first of all they go to the yoga room and they do a different kind of activities over there. Yogasan they do. Besides that, that we are well connected with Indus Quality Foundation, one of the prominent organization.
Yes, we all have heard, ma'am. Yes,
working for the mental upliftment of a child.
Mental health,
so
very
that
important.
That the preachings of Swami Vivekananda.
Who doesn't know that? Yes, ma'am.
So that under the banner of that IQF, we are the, I should say, the follower of the preachings of Swami Vivekananda. And the students are also studying, learning, doing, implementing in their life.
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding.
Yes,
they are doing all the things in
मतलब आपके टीचर्स न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट भी बना दिया आपने, उनको आपने योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर भी बना दिया, फैसिलिटेटर तो वो वैसे ही हैं।
Besides that you have talked about the
mental health and well-being, very important topic that we can discuss.
So mental health and well-being, and it is a big question. A child who is 16 years old, 14, 15, they commit suicide.
Yes, there are news all around the world. Topmost priority is mental and well-being.
So really it's I should say that we have to think, and we are also doing in our school what practices I just want to share with you, that we have started that book review program, not only for the students but for the teachers also. As we have just given that this is the book for 1 month,
novel kind of.
Yeah, our students will read it, and then the last day of a month, all will sit together class-wise with their teachers, with their administrative personality. Then we will try to inculcate the spirit of acceptance. Problem is that why they are committing suicide? Ki if I am wrong, they will not try to accept it, and then it will they will go in the deep pool of just depression.
Thoughts
कि
क्लस्टर बन
जाता है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
तो अगर आप वो बुक पढ़ रहे हैं, अपना रिव्यू दे रहे हैं, एंड सभी एक साथ बैठे हुए फ्लोर पर कन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हैं, तो वहाँ कोई नो स्मॉल नो बिग,
एग्जैक्टली, वी ऑल आर इक्वल, ऑल आर इक्वल।
और इसी को हम बोलते हैं ना इक्विटी।
यस, इक्विटी नॉट इक्वालिटी, इक्विटी। यस मैम, राइट वर्ड। यस,
इक्विटी और एम्पैथी, नॉट सिंपैथी।
नॉट सिंपैथी, यस, वेल
सेड।
So
if you are putting yourself in the shoes of others,
then you will understand.
You will understand.
Exactly, moral support.
So that these kind of little practices we do.
ये बहुत ज़रूरी है.
And that you may create we have created a one academic bank of BK.
Academic bank
of BK.
Okay.
Academic bank of BK means for the teachers. Whatever good things they find, they leave in that bank.
You're creating an investment.
And all they read,
Wow.
and they try to
Impart
borrow
that.
some ideas also and try to implement them.
Wow. Very nice, ma'am.
So these kind of good practices we always share among the students, among the teachers. So it is, once again I am talking about the collaborative.
कोलैबोरेटिव कम्युनिकेशन सारे चीज हमेशा ही आ रहे हैं मेरे इतने डेवलप हो गए बैठे बैठे ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ यू मैम नो आई कैन कम्प्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई यू आर सेड अ लेडी विद अ मिशन एंड अ विजन बट आई नो दैट यू हैव अ सर्टेन कॉर्नर फॉर पोएट्री ऑल्सो सो आई वुड रियली वॉन्ट यू टू शेयर सम ऑफ द पोएटिक लाइन्स कविता प्यारी सी पंक्तियाँ कुछ भी हो जाए जो आप शेयर करना चाहें
आई एम नॉट जस्ट सेइंग कि मैं एक एनवायरमेंटल एम्बेसडर हूँ, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं मुझे रहता है कि प्रकृति ही अनुपम सौंदर्य है।
बिल्कुल है, आई कम्प्लीटली एग्री मैम, बहुत ज़रूरी है।
प्रकृति का अनुपम सौंदर्य मुझे लगता है जब भोर काल होती है उस बेला से सुंदर किसी और समय और दिखाई नहीं देता,
कुछ नहीं दिखाई देता।
तो मुझे आपने क्वेश्चन किया तो कभी कभी मैं भी प्रकृति से परिपूर्ण होकर के कविताएं लिख लेती हूँ।
क्या बात है।
तो ये मेरी कविता है। एक मैं मॉर्निंग में आई यूजुअली गो फॉर ए वॉक,
वेरी
और
इंपॉर्टेंट।
मैं आई ऑलवेज लाइक टू वॉक इन डॉन टाइम, जब सुबह का भोर होता है।
बहुत
तो मुझे
सुंदर
लगता
होता
है कि जो सूर्य है वो मुझे रास्ते में मिले, जब ही निकले वो।
अरे वाह, कितनी अच्छी सोच है।
राइजिंग जो
Sun.
ऐसे सन है,
सनराइज पे जाना चाहते हैं।
I will be on the way, then I will see the rays of rising sun.
यस,
तो मैंने एक पोम लिखा था, 2019 का पोम है ये।
अच्छा,
तो एक मैंने पोम लिखा था, आप कहेंगे तो
मैं सुनना चाहूंगी, प्लीज सुनना चाहूंगी मैम।
तो इसमें मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा जो लैंग्वेज है वो लिटरेरी है, और इसको मैंने एक मानवीकरण अलंकार, पर्सोनिफिकेशन,
पर्सोनिफिकेशन।
तो पर्सोनिफिकेशन में मैंने उसको भोर को एक ब्यूटीफुल लेडी बनाया है।
वाह, और क्या चाहिए।
तो उसको आप ऐसे इमेजिन करेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा।
वैसे ही करूंगी मैं, अपनी ऑडियंस को भी बोलूंगी मैम की पोम को समझने के लिए हमें
आपको भोर को एक सुंदरी के रूप में समझना पड़ेगा।
पर्सोनिफाई हर एज अ ब्यूटीफुल
लेडी, पर्सोनिफाइड किया,
पर्सोनिफाई करेंगे।
तो वो उसका पंक्तियां हैं कि पथ पर चल रही भोर सुंदरी दैट लेडी just endowed with nature,
endowed with nature,
or that nature herself, absolutely. पथ पर चल रही भोर सुंदरी, नूतन सपने नैनों में संजोए, मदमस्त करती फिजा को बावरी, सुध-बुध अपनी पूरी खोए, पर है प्रण सपने होंगे सार्थक, कितना ही हो परिश्रम अथक, प्रकृति कर रही सर्व को चेतन, सभी को चेतन कर रही है, प्रकृति कर रही सर्व को चेतन, कलुषा का हो रहा विघटन, भोर से होता जीवन का नव संचार, नित पुष्पित पल्लवित होते सुविचार, उद्विग्नता द्वेष का नित हरण, जा रहा मनुज अखंड प्रकृति की शरण, फिर क्यों ना जीवन को जीना सीखे, प्रकृति की सुरम्य बगिया में महकना और महकाने की क्रीड़ा खेले, मुस्कुराहट का सर्वत्र संदेश सुनाए। So
wow,
these were the lines.
This is
what
so
I have
inspiring.
quoted.
Very nice, ma'am. I mean, you can write this. This is so nice. You should create your own book. इतनी अच्छी लिखी आपने। सबसे अच्छी लाइन मुझे लिखी, क्यों ना फिर से जीना सीखे।
हाँ,
You are actually questioning. Very,
फिर
very
क्यों
good.
ना जीवन को जीना
सीखे, क्यों नहीं?
प्रकृति की सुरम्य बगिया में महकाएं और महकाने की क्रीड़ा खेलें।
बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से आपने बता दिया कि कोलैबोरेटिव लर्निंग भी इसके अंदर होगी, एक्सपीरियंशियल तो है ही, यू आर क्लोज टू नेचर, ऑल्सो इफ योर मेंटल हेल्थ इज गुड, एवरीथिंग सीम्स गुड एज नेचर। यू हैव सो मच पॉइंट्स कवर्ड इन दिस ओनली, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है मैम। दिस वाज सो नाइस, बहुत अच्छा लगा मैम। लेकिन अभी हम एक रैपिड फायर एक सेशन करेंगे, सो उससे पहले मैं ऑडियंस को रूल्स बताना चाहूँगी। सो द गेम स्टार्ट्स, आई विल आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस विद मैम, इट हैज़ टू बी 10 सेकेंड टाइमर मैम आपको मिलेगा, यू हैव टू आंसर दैट, सिर्फ 10 seconds, मे बी लेस, बट यू हैव टू आंसर वेरी क्विक and then we'll move to the next question. So are you okay with it?
Okay.
Okay, so
I'll
let's
try
start
my
then.
best.
Whenever you are ready. So I'll just say 3, 2, 1, go. Whenever you're ready.
Okay.
You ready? We can
Ready,
start?
ready.
You want to warm up?
Thank you.
Okay. So question number 1. As you said that it's very important कि हम बच्चों को बाहर लेके जाएं. So what is that one field trip that you would suggest to schools or students?
Environmental expo. Always.
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 You're quick in
Always.
10 seconds. It was not even a 10 second. Very nice. The dream subject that you would want to add in your curriculum.
Earlier it was Sanskrit, but due to some, situations, I just choose English.
You will use English. Okay. Any other language?
I prefer, English, Hindi and Sanskrit.
Okay. Great. The best teaching methodology.
Best teaching methodology, experiential learning.
Perfect.
And art integration also, that VAPA, visual art and performing art. When we just teach our students with the art integrated approach and try to, just teach or to just teach them with experiential learning, then things are very easy for each and everyone, and the students are also happy, because I have said that the mantra of happiness is must always revived. So ये जब ही रिवाइव रहेगा जब आप बच्चे को प्रैक्टिकल ग्राउंड पे पढ़ाएंगे कि ये मेरे यहाँ काम आने वाला है. जब उसको पता ही नहीं है कहाँ काम आने वाला है और ये सीखा कैसे जाएगा. सो विजुअल और परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट, अर्लियर कुछ चीजें ऐसी थी जो हमको हमारे एंसेस्टर्स और फोर फादर्स हमको ऐसे ही सिखा देते.
नुक्कड़ नाटक भी कोई
पूरा
चीज
ऐसे ही बहुत सारी उनकी पूरी कहानी में हमें पूरा लिटरेचर याद हो जाया करता
सुना
था.
दिया जाता था.
तो वो उनका कुछ नहीं था, वो स्टोरी टेलिंग था, वो डांसिंग था, वो सिंगिंग था, वो उनका ड्रामेटिक टू क्रिएट ड्रामेटिक सिचुएशंस थी. सो आई होप कि अगर हम उसको पूरा कंप्लीटली रिवाइव कर देते हैं उस विजुअल आर्ट और परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट को, तो थिंग्स विल बी वेरी इजी. और एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग के साथ हम काम करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छे से सारी चीज़ें अच्छे से होंगी और हम रियल में एक पीयर लर्निंग और बच्चों का जो एक प्रेशर है वो खत्म हो जाएगा.
With this, I would really want to thank you, ma'am. This was a tremendous session. इतने अच्छे से आपने सारे आंसर दिए. Rapid fire भी आपने 10 seconds से कम में कर लिया. You are very quick learner and a great facilitator. Thank you for inspiring me, ma'am, and giving us such a good time.
Thank you so much, Srishti ji. Really, you have, really you are the universe. Asking a lot of questions.
It was great, ma'am.
Inviting me on this floor.
Thank you for coming,
to
ma'am.
you and your whole team
Thank
for
you.
inviting me on this floor.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. With this, I would want to end our session, and I would really want you to take all the insights possible as much as you can and implement in your curriculum. Thank you. Until next time.